Today we're going to replace the battery in the Mazda Smart KeyFob. On the back side you'll see a little lever where you can slide that over to remove the hard key. Then we're going to take a small screwdriver and you place it right in the well, and once you pry it right in there you can twist. You'll see that it pops open the side. Do that to each side. And then you're going to take the screwdriver and slowly work down the crack until you hear the locks come off. Then you're going to remove the battery seal, which pops right off. After you get your replacement battery, you're going to place it back into the fob with the plus sign up. Replace the battery seal. Replace the backing until you hear all 4 sides click back in. And then replace the key fob. You can also verify that the battery is good by the light indicator next to the Mazda emblem. And that's how you change the battery.